Hey beauties, it is me, your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I'm giving you guys my everyday makeup routine. If you come in Morphe or you see me on social media and I look like this, it is because it is my everyday look. I'm about to punch a wall. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm trying to get back in the groove of recording. I feel like I fell off with the way that I record and I don't show my personality as much. Also, I'm in a new environment and this environment is more noise than usual, so I'm trying to like work around that as well because the noise usually throws me off with recording. So I'm just gonna have to teach myself to ignore all of it. But anywho, this is my everyday look. No shadows. This is all like face powders and my foundation, highlight, contour, all that good stuff. So yeah. But before we get into this video, I want to shout out my gang. I'm trying to talk over all the noise because there's mad noise going on and it's pissing me off. I want to rant. Shout out my gang. I love y'all so much. You guys are so supportive. No matter what I put out, you're always the first hair, and I cannot like explain how much I love y'all. I should dread my hair. I will be a cute ass dread. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so we are starting off mad moisturized, okay? But we're gonna go straight into, if you guys hear any noise, I apologize, but I have to work through it, and I think that's why I'm off of my groove, because there's always noise in the background, but I'm gonna have to just work through it. Anywho, gonna be using my primer water from Smashbox. This is going to be priming all of my face. To fill my pores, I will be using my NYX Pore Filling Primer. We're gonna color correct. Still, almost broke my table. I'm using my Smashbox color correcting stick. This is in a Glycerin Dark. Have not bought the e.l.f. one yet, but I'm gonna have to order it because if you guys did not know, e.l.f. shut down all of their stores. My skin, I'm looking at myself in my viewfinder. My skin looks so glowy and healthy and nice. Your skin looks amazing. What do? To blend up the color corrector, I am using my M434. Alright, so for foundation, today I'll be using the Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. These are in 510 and 525. I'm pretty sure 510 is a pretty good match. My face may look very yellow because this foundation pigment is so yellow. But I do love this foundation. For foundation, I'm using my E6 brush from Morphe, one of my faves. So I'm using the Infallible Fresh Wear Concealer. This is in Caramel. I'm just dotting my face because this is so full coverage. Using my M173. I love this brush for concealer. This brush is the reason why I don't use sponges like that anymore. From not being extra, I'm just putting on a lash. This takes me about 30 minutes. If I am smoking on my whole lash line and all that extra stuff, it'll probably take me about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how extra I'm really trying to be. Alright, so to cream contour, I have none left. I'm literally scraping the sides with the applicator. because ain't nothing in here. This is my ColourPop concealer. This is in D54. I'm probably not gonna buy this again. I'm probably just gonna get the Infallible foundation stick in the darkest color to do my cream contour and to blend out all of this glory. I'm using my E20. I'm gonna make use of this extra foundation left back. Usually it's dried down by now, so it's a little more opaque, so I don't really need a lot on my brush. So I'm just gonna blend right where the concealer and the foundation meets so that you look blended and shit, you know? Alright, so now this looks really nice and really blended, but I'm just gonna go in with my sponge to just take off whatever's extra, which sometimes is my under eye, so I'm gonna probably go back in with some concealer and just blend all of this together even though it is already blended. And I'm gonna go into my flower powder from Bakerie. Look at that. That looks, I swear, I feel like my face looks so beautiful now. Like, people see me and they're like in awe by how my foundation looks. Alright, so we're gonna set my entire face. You guys should know this powder, MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in dark. And I'm using the E41 brush. I'm literally just tapping the brush into the powder and doing the same to my face. Just tapping this all over, beating my face up. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to take my M438, go into my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm just going to adjust a little bit under my eyes. Bring back some color. And I'm just going to spray with my Morphe setting spray. I have not used Fix Plus since I've gotten this. Love it. Okay, so now I'm going to just quickly do my brows. You could just watch because it's the same thing I always do, but I'm using the brow pencils, the micro brow pencils from Morphe. They're both in Java and Mocha. Alright, so I just used the same concealer, which was the Infallible concealer, just to blank out my eyelids, and I used my translucent powder to set it. I also used the translucent powder to go over my brows, just so that they stay. Alright, so for my eyes, I'm only using my bronzer and contour. So this bronzer right here, I think it is discontinued. We don't even have it on a display in our store, so I'm pretty sure it is discontinued. But this bronzer is so bomb that I have not used any other bronzer. This is the Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer in a Phenom. Bomb. I'm going to use this as like a transition, and this is my R38 from Morphe. Alright, then I'm going to use the brontour from Morphe, and this is in Showmance. This is what I used to use as my bronzer. If you look at the two, this is a little bit lighter, so I've just been using this as a contour. So I'm just going to go in Same brush, just going to the brontour. I'm gonna go into the matte shade. Boom, I'm done. So instead of me popping on my lash, I'm just gonna quickly finish off my face. I'm using my M527. Love this for bronzer, and of course I'm going into my face and body bronzer from Morphe in Phenom. I'm gonna contour again with my bronzer and the showmance, and I'm only taking the matte side. I'm just keeping this by my cheek, and this brush is the R10 brush. Oh, oh. For everyday highlight, I know she a bit extra, but she is drugstore and she be holding me down. This is this CoverGirl Full Spectrum Cheek Palette, right? Scope Expert Cheek Palette, yeah. So I use both of these highlighters. I'm gonna go with the lighter first. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop on some random lashes. Okay, so we look like we got something going on. Same blending brush that I used for my crease and all of that. I'm just going in with the same two highlighters and just applying that in my inner corner. I'm going to be using Vibe Pencil from Morphe. I really love this pencil. It is more of a red toned brown. And then my favorite lipstick color from Morphe, which is Wifey. So creamy. If I tell you to buy any lippy from them, it will be their regular lipsticks and their crayons. They look, now I know my everyday look is probably a bit extra, but I work in a makeup store, so this is what I will wear when I'm not wearing like eyeshadow and stuff. I literally just put my bronzer, my contour, my crease, and call it a day. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this look, because this is my favorite look. I wear this look all the time. I love how I look like this. I think I just look beautiful. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video.